Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about candlesticks, how to read candlesticks and how it works exactly. Let's go to candlesticks. The candlesticks indicates price movement in stock market. There are many types of charts that are used for technical analysis. For example, the line chart, as you can see, the bar chart is here, and candlestick charts. The most common one is the candlesticks chart between traders. Let's go through candlesticks. The most common one, Japanese candlesticks. Japanese candlestick is the most easiest one and the also most popular one between traders. It involves green and red candlesticks lined one after another. Each candle shows price movement, and Japanese candlestick is the best way to visualize of a price in terms of market going up or down. And you can easily recognize that buy point or sell points. And let me explain first the green candlesticks. The green candlesticks. Guys, don't forget that every candle, almost every candle, not all of them, but almost every candle includes tails and main body. These are tail. Here is the main body. Body indicates open and close price. As you can see, open price and close price. This candle shows, green candle shows the price is increasing. And let me show you how it works exactly, the candlesticks. As an example, guys, the 1 minute chart, 1 minute time frame, and its price start here, for example, and went down and going up. It can be somewhere here and go up, and the highest price is so, and then turned and then close here. As you can see, guys, here is the tail. Here's lowest price. Here's another tail, the highest price here, and here is the body. Here is body. Candlesticks work like this. And it can here, can change here, can also change. For example, if it's the highest price here, for example, candlesticks, the tail here, body here, and the other tails here. And it works, depends on your time frame. For example, if you will choose 1 minute time frame, from here to here, start beginning to end, takes 1 minute. And let's go over red candlesticks. Red candlesticks. This candle shows price goes down. As you can see, guys, it's the same logic. And the shadow lowest price here, highest price is here, and open close is here. Here is also body. And in terms of red candlesticks, it opens here, for example, and it went up. See the highest price, and then down, and then come down, and then here turned here and closed here. It's the same logic. Here is the body. Here is the highest price. Here is the lowest price. And that's it, guys. The green candle and the red candle, how they works. I hope you understand. If you don't, please let me know. In this part, I'm going to show you the time frame and how it works exactly. The candle is chosen. I'm using Heikin Eshi because it's easy to recognize everything. As you can, it's clear. And you can choose time frame, for example, 1 minute. If it's 1 minute, each candle represents 1 minute. For example, this candle happens in 1 minute. This one is 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, and it's going like this. And If you want, you can change the time frame as a 4 hours to see the clearly long time. And in this time, each candle represents 4 hours. And you can choose here, depends on your investment type. You can choose 1 day, you can choose even 30 minutes or whatever you want. Okay, let's go in another part. In this part, I'm going to show you which signals are provided by candlesticks. Let's go over it. The first of all, we need to know what's bearish and bullish. The bearish means the market goes down, defined as a downward trend, and bullish defined as an upward trend. Market goes up. And the candlestick, we can easily recognize the sell points and also buy points. Let me show you some bullish patterns. The bullish patterns. First of all, bullish engulfing. In this pattern, red candle is supposed to be engulfed by followed green candle. If the green candle is much more higher than previous red candle, it's more strong to buy. Here is a market turning point and it's likely to increase and it's a buy signal. Let's go hammer. Hammer candle, lower shadow here, supposed to be 2 or 3 times longer than body here, and there's almost no upper shadow at all. You can see no upper shadow at all. For confirmation, guys, you can wait until the green candle closing. Green candle closing is supposed to be up to hammer opening. Let's go morning doji star. In this pattern, as you can see, the red candle almost has no body and also no tails, just small tails. A morning star forms following a downward trend and it indicates the start of an upward climb. It's a sign of a reversal in the previous price trend. You can see reversal, turning point, the same. If the green candle is more longer, it's more reliable. Let's see bearish pattern, bearish engulfing. In this pattern, red candle is supposed to engulf previous green candle completely. And then here is this sell signal. And let's go in another one. Dark cloud cover. Open new high and close middle of the green candle. As you can see, it's a sell signal. It's more likely to go down. And let's go to the last one. Last one is the shooting star. Red candlestick has a small body. As you can see, upper shadow is the 2 or 3 times more than its body. Okay, as you can see, upper shadow is the 2 or 3 times more than its body. You can see here. It's also sell signal. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe and see you next video.